Hi, I'm Denise Miller, your Leadership Lady Live, and our communication tip video for the week, our word is going to be unity. When chaos strikes, your words either scatter your team or unite them into an unstoppable force. I do a communications tip every week, and if you like the content, I ask you to please hit the thumbs up or the heart, to subscribe, and to share. Consider this statement: in chaos, scattered forces fail, but united forces triumph. In chaotic times, people naturally want to protect themselves first. Your communication can either fuel this self preservation instinct or channel it into collective strength. There is a unity language framework that you can use. You can do it simply by replacing the word I with we whenever possible. And instead of saying your problem is, say our challenge is. When something needs to be unraveled, say let's figure this out rather than you need to handle this. There are three types of phrases you can use to build unity in any forum. The first is to acknowledge shared stakes by saying something like, we're all in this together. The second is to invite collaboration by saying, let's solve this as a team. And the third is to build confidence in your team's ability to triumph by saying, our combined strength is greater than any challenge. It is really so simple to reinforce and undergird unity with some power words to foster unity. Words like together, collective, shared, common, joint, unified, and avoid other words: separate, alone, personal, isolated. Those are words that will actually engage that everyone for him or herself mentality. Here's an example. There's a chaotic situation happening. A major client is threatening to leave your communication company. Let's call it Unity Communication. And you say, we have a critical client situation that needs our best collaborative thinking. Let's pool our insights and create a unified response that shows the client that we're the right partner for them. Remember, your words during times of chaos and uncertainty either build walls or bridges. Choose to be a bridge builder and watch your team become unbreakable and unstoppable. Once again, I'm Denise Miller, your Leadership Lady Live, and I encourage you to hit the thumbs up or the heart, to subscribe, and to share this with your community. Have a great balance of the day.